Hi guys, let's make an activator for slime, and I'm also gonna let it slime. So I have here a bottle, but there's alcohol in it. I don't want to mix it, but yeah, I'm not actually like gonna mix it. I'm gonna put it in my Papa's bottle because it's wasting. Full bottle. Oh, I made a mess. Now let's wash this one and make it an activator. Let's put some water, a tiny bit of water, cause put some water. Okay, I think this is enough. Siriin ko yun, ate. Okay, this is enough. Operator kasi yun. Now let's put some detergent. Oh, I think this is enough. I mean detergent powder. Okay, I think this is enough. I think it's too much water. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay. Mix. I mean, it's purple. I didn't know it was purple. I think I am wasting. I need a white one, but I don't see any white one here. Is salt time. And who never left me. Rest me, make you sexy. Rest me, This is Love Unfiltered. Heart World, March 7, Saturday, okay, I think I need the Marsol. Marsol, baby. Let me wash my hands. Mix. Now let me wash and let's try if it's really real and really legit. I think this won't work. I'm done. Let's test it. This video is gonna end already, so I think we should make a part 2. But let's just make a part 2. So see you in part 2, guys. Bye.